Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're an entrepreneur, a content creator, or a working mama, then you've come to the right place. We've all heard that the first year in business is tough, and about 20% of businesses don't make it through. In this video, I will share with you my top secrets on how to successfully make it through the toughest year of your business. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to tackle every obstacle, get over every speed bump, and rise from every setback that you come across in the first year of your business. I started my first business just under 3 years ago, and I can definitely say that we made a fair share of mistakes and hit plenty of speed bumps in the first 365 days. On our first anniversary, we baked a cake and we thoroughly celebrated getting over that 1 year mark. I've learned a lot that year, and I'm taking everything that I've learned in my first business and implementing in my third business, an activewear and lifestyle brand, Fifth Generation Apparel, that we launched in November of 2019. Keep on watching to find out exactly how you can survive your first year of business. Keep your expenses low. Become the master of all trades and wear many hats in your business. Be the director, the designer, the marketing manager, the copywriter, the photographer, the editor, the accountant, among other things. That's exactly what I did when I started my very first business. I designed the website, the business cards, the promotional graphics. I managed the social media. I took and edited the photos. I wrote the captions, and I managed the finances. I had to do it all. Working like this can be extremely overwhelming, but that's what you have to do to keep your expenses low while you're establishing a solid foundation for your business. I'm not going to lie, you might end up working 100-hour weeks, but don't forget that all of your hard work will be rewarded, and you will also pick up 100 different skills along the way. In this day and age, there are a lot of free resources that we can utilize in our business that'll help us keep the expenses low. I have an entire video where I put together a list of my favorite free business tools that I love and use in my business every single day. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link in the description so you can watch it after this one. Which brings me to the next step. Whatever you earn, put it back in your business. Once the cash starts coming in, you have to really fight the urge to pay yourself for all of the hard work you've done for free up until this point. Rather than doing that, invest it back in your business so you can scale and grow it. Focus on the big picture vision. You are here for a long haul, not just 1 year. Payday will come in good time. And once we're on the topic of investing money back in your business, specifically, you should invest your money in ads. The most successful businesses in the world work with huge marketing budgets because what your business needs in that first year is exposure. The quicker you get your business out there, the sooner you start turning a profit. Don't hesitate to invest your money in ads because they work. And I have another financial tip for you. You need to have a solid financial strategy when it comes to your personal and business finances. Since you're not paying yourself, you still need to have money to live off. How are you going to support yourself in the very beginning of your business journey? Are you going to start it as a side hustle and get your 9 to 5 to pay for it? Do you have money saved up? Is your spouse or other family member financially supporting you? Have a solid financial plan for yourself and your business. The first year of your business is the toughest one financially. That's when you're usually not turning a profit or it's minimal. Therefore, you have to be financially smart when it comes to managing your business finances. You're most likely going to be your own accountant for the first year. So take it seriously and make it your number one priority to figure out the tax system in your country and what you can claim as a business expense to reduce the amount of tax you have to pay at the end of the year. I figured out exactly what I can claim as expenses for my business, and at the end of the year, my earnings and my expenses were equal, so I didn't have to pay any tax that year. Let's move on to the next step. Spread the word on social media. Social media is a very powerful business tool that you need to utilize from the get-go. Create amazing content, connect with your potential clients, showcase your work. It's not the right time to sit tight in your comfort zone. Social media will provide you with global exposure. How amazing is that? But in order to make this amazing tool contribute to the success of your business, you have to be committed and consistent. You have to show up daily with value-driven, targeted content. Also, you don't have to wait for the launch of your business to start creating content and building credibility in the niche of your choice. Think ahead, build your audience, and earn their trust. It's a lot easier to survive that very first year of business when you already have your potential clients and customers in your corner. And the next tip is build a happy community of clients. Go above and beyond for your clients. Over-deliver on your promises. Create an unforgettable experience and collect testimonials in the process. Don't be afraid to ask for reviews and testimonials. If you've done your job really well and your customers are very happy with the services they received from you, they will have no problem with supporting you and showing their appreciation to help you grow and secure new clients. Listen to your customers' feedback. It's a true gift, especially if it comes directly from your ideal clients. Listen to their feedback and pivot your strategy if you need to. Seeking honest feedback will propel you towards improving your products and services. Solicit it. We tend to stick to our ways and doing things that we think work, but it's very, very important to remember who we are providing our products and services for. That's why we have to push our egos aside, listen to our audience and clients, and adjust when we need to. The ability to take constructive criticism on board is one of the greatest assets you can have. Look at the feedback you get as the best gift your clients can give you and take it seriously. Let go of expectations. Entrepreneurial journey is unpredictable. Sometimes things go amazingly well. Other times, we learn the toughest lessons that make us question why we even started this roller coaster of a journey in the first place. But the truth is, they never go according to plan. I wholeheartedly believe that the only people who truly fail are the ones who give up. Don't put an expiration date on your success. Focus on the here and now. Enjoy the process. And the next tip I'm going to call learn. As a budding entrepreneur, the first thing you must do is enroll yourself in the University of Google. I'm going to be brutally honest here and say that I've learned so much more in the first year of running my business than I did in the 3 years of my bachelor's degree. In this day and age of internet, we have information available to us that is just a few clicks away. There are endless online resources for us to dive into and experts to learn from. Dive right in. Find mentors to learn from. Read books, listen to podcasts, learn, and apply the knowledge you gain in your business. You have to stay current, fresh, and keep up with the trends. And you can only do that if you stay on top of your personal and professional development. Starting a business is one thing, but scaling it and sustaining it, that's where the hard work begins. We have to be in active learning mode all of the time, so we can establish a solid foundation for our business and start scaling it as soon as possible. I've created an entire video where I share with you how we can maximize our daily learning. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below so you can add it to your watch list. Work hard, but smart. Go all in. Your dreams and your business are worth it. If you want your business to thrive and grow as soon as possible, then you have to hustle. But make sure your work is purposeful and strategic. Don't get fixated on the tiniest of details and end up working yourself into the ground. Avoid stress and burnout at all costs. The best work is inspired work, and that's exactly what your business needs from you in the very first year. Build your network. Join networking groups in your area. Connect with other entrepreneurs in your field in real life and online. Meet like-minded people, collaborate with other businesses, and support each other. Word of mouth is one of the greatest forms of marketing. And my final tip would be don't give up. Rome wasn't built in a day, so building a six-figure business might take a while, but you will get there if you don't give up. Never forget that anything is possible with the right mindset, good intentions, and stellar work ethic. Have you survived your first year in business? Share your pro tips in the comments. If you found this video helpful, then all I ask of you is to like it, comment, and share it with a friend. Help me spread the word and inspire budding content creators and entrepreneurs to follow their passion, take action, and start working for their dreams. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here and hit the bell to get notified every time I post a video. If you want to learn more about business and personal development, check out these playlists over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you later.